Most homeowners pick an HVAC company based on the lowest bid, but in this industry, the cheapest price can lead to the most expensive mistakes. Today, I am showing you how to find a contractor, someone who will not just tell you what you want to hear but will actually make your home comfortable. Welcome to Getting HVAC. We've spent years working with all phases of heating and air conditioning, and we've seen exactly how confusing the industry can be for property owners. Our goal is simple: to take decades of professional experience and share it with you. We aren't here to push one brand over another or use complicated vocabulary to confuse the issue. Instead, we're breaking down all the technical stuff into plain English so you can make a smart, confident decision for your home. Hang around to the end of the video to get 5 pro insider tips that will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Let's start with a fact that might surprise you. Did you know that 90% of your new system's performance depends on the quality of the installation, not the name on the box? That's right. Finding the right contractor is the difference between a comfortable and efficient home versus years of living with regret. You can buy the best, most expensive product on the market, but if it is installed incorrectly, it will never perform as it should. Integrating a heating and air conditioning system into your home requires a true expert who understands system sizing, electricity, refrigeration, combustion, duct and piping design, plus 100 other variables. Beyond that, we don't just want to find a good contractor, we want to find the right contractor for you. So let's get into phase 1, the initial search and vetting. First off, we need to pin down a few things before we even start setting appointments. Stick around, because only Getting HVAC is revealing these insider secrets. Now, let's dig in. The first thing to understand is that one size does not fit all. Everyone assumes that all property owners have the same needs and expectations, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Let's take a moment to consider what your needs, expectations, and personal preferences really are. Think about the kinds of companies you already like to work with. While replacing an HVAC system only happens every decade or so, you probably have an auto mechanic or a favorite restaurant you use regularly. Do you prefer branded car dealerships for their premier service, a familiar franchise chain, or maybe that small shop down the street? Do you eat at gourmet restaurants, big chains, or family-run establishments? Whichever you prefer, focus your search for a contracting company along these same lines to get the experience you expect. We'll talk about how to measure their abilities in a few minutes. Here's insider tip number 1. Water leaks, breakdowns, and other emergencies happen at the least convenient times. Once you find a good contractor, keep their phone number somewhere you can find it quickly, even when you are half asleep. Next, consider your situation. Is this an emergency? If your system is down, the most important question is who can get you back up and running the fastest. But this is where trouble often begins. Urgency can lead to sacrificing quality, so even in a rush, take a little time to ask about their history in the industry and their background with the brand you are considering. If you're on a tight budget, remember that urgency carries a cost. Try to avoid emergency situations if you can. For deals, search online and ask about promotions, including financing. Large companies may have specials, while smaller mom-and-pop shops typically have the best everyday pricing. Be sure to stick around, because later I'll reveal the biggest price hack in the industry. Acting before the system breaks down is the best way to ensure a quality installation and get a fair price. Simply buying at the right season of the year can save you 5 to 10%. Spend less time researching brands and more time researching the people who will make that system operate at peak performance. We have other videos about choosing a brand if you're interested. Now, how do you find these people? Surveying family and friends, either in person or on social media, has been the industry standard for finding a good local contractor. When you ask for referrals, be specific. Ask if the crew showed up when scheduled, was courteous, professional, and stayed on budget. Beyond personal referrals, online reviews are a quick and reliable way to get a feel for a contractor you do not know. Websites like Angie's List and Home Advisor have proven their value. While a lot of bad reviews are a definite red flag, having only a few reviews isn't necessarily one. Many new and small contractors do outstanding work because it's their personal reputation on the line. They just lack the time or resources to manage their online presence. Even in today's AI environment, a quick check on the Better Business Bureau is worth the clicks. A pattern of negative comments is a concern, but don't worry if they aren't a member. There's a fee for contractors to participate, and some great ones choose not to join. To be certain you're making the right choice, plan on getting quotes from 3 different contractors. Any less will leave you uninformed and probably paying too much. Now we move to phase 2, the critical questions. Asking the following questions will unearth a great deal about a contractor's expertise. These are the nerd questions that separate the rookies from the true technical experts. First, ask, what brand and efficiency do you install the most of? A long, familiar installation background with a specific brand and model is more important than the brand name itself. Some of the most reliable brands are built by Carrier, Trane, Lennox, Bosch, Daikin, and Rheem, though these 5 parent companies also sell them under dozens of other names. Follow up with, how long have you been installing this brand? How long have you been in the HVAC business? And how long have you been with this company? Then, hit them with the own home question. Ask the tech what system they have in their own house and why. Their answer can be very revealing. You can also ask for referrals. Is there anyone local who I can call? Now for the big one. Will you perform a manual J-load calculation? This detailed calculation considers your location, square footage, insulation, window types, and sun exposure to ensure the system isn't under or oversized. Can you provide the AHRI certificate for this system? And that brings us to insider tip number 2. The yellow energy guide label on an air conditioning outdoor unit only shows the rating for that single component. What really matters is the total system efficiency shown on the RE certificate. This certificate is also needed for government rebates. Here is another technical question. Do you measure static pressure on startup of the new system? This is more critical for air conditioning than heating, as cool air is denser than warm air. To avoid surprises, always ask, when can you install it? And, will the installer set up the thermostat and train me on how to use the system before leaving? Will they show me how to change the filters? And will you put that in writing? This is a perfect time for insider tip number 3. Programmable thermostats can save you money by learning the microclimate of your home and cutting back the temperature when everyone is away or asleep. But most people see little benefit because they don't know how to program them. A proper setup and training is key. Finally ask, is your company fully licensed and insured in case of problems? Different states have different license requirements, but not having insurance is an absolute deal breaker. Which leads us to insider tip number 4. Do not be pressured into a today-only deal. This is a common high-pressure sales tactic. That deal will almost certainly be available tomorrow too. If it's not, it's time to move on to a different contractor. Distinguish between the manufacturer's warranty, which covers parts, and the contractor's labor warranty. To sum things up, understanding the contractor's business cycle is the key to getting a fabulous new system at a great price. Phones ring off the hook when extreme weather is in the forecast. Schedules get booked out for weeks, and contractors have more work than they can handle. In season, they often work 6 or 7 long days per week, leading to exhaustion. And this brings us to our final and most valuable tip, insider tip number 5. Plan ahead and replace your system in the off-season. Mild weather causes a major slowdown in the heating and cooling world. This means contractors have more time, motivation, and energy to do a great job on your installation. In addition, discounts and special deals are much more negotiable in late winter, early spring, and early fall. This is the single biggest price hack in the industry. Choosing the right contractor is the most important decision you'll make for your home's comfort. By asking these questions and understanding the process, you're putting yourself in the driver's seat. For more help, you can download our free hiring checklist in the description below. Also check out our video on comparing quotes, an apples-to-apples guide. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pro HVAC tips. We will see you in the next one.